class teacher Janet. Today we are going to study class 3 topic birds around us. I hope, dear children, that you all have seen the different types of birds in the world. They are so colorful and beautiful. They all are so different from each other and so unique in themselves. Today, let's learn something more about them. Dear children, as we all have our parts of bodies, in the same way, the birds are also having their parts of body. Now let's see the different parts of a bird one by one. This part of a bird is called as beak. This is the eyes of the bird. This part is the wings of a bird. This part is called as the tail of a bird. These are the feathers of a bird. These two are the claws of a bird. So these are the important parts of a bird's body. Let's revise again. Beak, eyes, wings, tail, claws and feathers. How are birds able to fly? You might have thought many times that why only the birds are able to fly. So let's see the reason behind it. Because the bird have a boat-shaped body. They have hollow bones which keep their body lightweight. They have a lightweight body and a boat-shaped body which help them to fly. And the most important thing, they have a strong muscles. Why they need the strong muscles? Because they have to move their wings up and down continuously to fly. So this is the reason why the birds are able to fly. Because they have a boat-shaped body which keep their balance in the air to fly. They have a hollow bones by which their body is very light, because of which their body is very light in weight. That's why they can fly easily. And they have a strong muscles by which they continuously move their wings up and down. Now let's move towards the types of feathers which the birds have. The birds have 3 types of feathers which are on their body. First is body feathers. Body feathers cover the body of a bird, and the main important function of the body feather is that they give shape to the bird's body. Second feather is the down feather. Down feathers are very short and soft feathers. They are found next to the skin of the bird, and the main function of the down feather is it keeps the body of a bird warm. It gives warmth to the bird's body. Next is the flight feathers. Flight feathers are found on the wings and the tails of a bird, and it helps the bird to fly. The main function of flight feather is to help the bird to fly. So there are 3 types of feathers of a bird. First is body feather, down feather and flight feather. Body feather gives shape to the bird's body. Down feather keep the body of a bird warm, and flight feathers help the bird to fly. Now look at this picture carefully. Can you see? These birds are so different from each other. Now look at their beaks carefully. All the birds have different types of beaks. Some have very pointed beaks, some have curved beaks, some have strong beak, some have hooked beaks. So the birds' beaks are, all the birds have different type of beaks. The beaks of bird helps them to eat food, carry things, make their nest and protect themselves. Let's see the different types of beaks. First is the hard and strong beak. Sparrow have the hard and strong beak, which shapes is like this. Next type of beak is sharp and curved beak. Curved because it is in a curved shape like a parrot. Parrot have a sharp and curved beak. Next type of beak is long and pointed beak. See in this picture, this bird has so long and pointed beak like a needle, by which it sucks the juice of the flower. Hummingbird has such type of beak, long and pointed beak. Next is sharp and hooked beak. It is called as hooked beak because it is like a hook. Eagle have a sharp and hooked type of beak. Last, we can see duck. Duck is having a broad and a flat beak. As you can see in this picture, they have a flat beak and it is also broad. So these are the types of the beak. Let's see once again. Broad and flat beak. Example, duck is having a broad and flat beak. Sharp and hooked beak, like eagle. Like an eagle is having a sharp and a hooked shape beak. Hummingbird. Hummingbird is having a long and pointed beak to suck the juice of a flower. Next is parrot. Parrot is having a sharp and curved shape beak. Curved shape beak. And a sparrow has a short but hard and strong beak. These are the beaks of birds, different types of beaks of birds. And what does the beaks help the bird to do? It helps in eating the food, to carry anything, to make their nest and to protect themselves. So dear children, today we have learned about birds. Can you tell me which is the national bird of India? Yes, it is peacock. And one more important thing, can you name a bird which cannot fly but runs very fast? Yes, it is an ostrich. So dear children, today we have learned about the birds around us, different, beautiful, unique in themselves. We have learned about the parts of a bird, how do they fly, the different type of feathers and the beaks of a bird. I want you all to learn about it through this video, and I'm also going to give you one worksheet which is based on this video. You have to solve that worksheet also. Thank you dear children.